that marginal risk sliding to the east for folks in Greensboro, Burlington, as well as Asheboro and uptown Lexington. And that kind of cuts through the center sections of the triad. But either way, we're looking at a developing system that's going to bring in a better severe storm chance between 1 and 7 o'clock in the evening. And that's going to move marching kind of from west to east. But showers and thunderstorms overnight are also possible. We're watching down to the south and west. These areas over the Charlotte region and just to the south over Fort Mill, lifting north at this hour. So we may get a few rumbles of thunder early morning, and then as that cold front continues to progress east, late afternoon, a little bit more energy aloft will roll overhead. And so that's what we're looking at right now. Temperatures in the 60s after a day of 70s. You have 69 in Asheboro, 66 in Greensboro, as well as Winston-Salem doing pretty well. So it's a mild start tomorrow morning. Thunderstorms becoming much more active as we look down south of Hickory right now near Shelby and along 85. So we'll be watching for that big batch of rain and showers and storms to lift in. This is going to help to spread in some scattered showers overnight. We also are watching that mid-level jet stream wind speed. The best energy is still to our north and west. That shifts a little bit as we go through the day tomorrow, and we'll be watching for any influence that could bring in some damaging wind threats for you. And that's really what we're talking about, is gusts above 60 miles an hour, a couple of winds that could come through, take down trees, or at least knock down some branches and cause sporadic outages, or take those trees and put it on your house. So we're hopeful that you'll stay weather aware tomorrow. Make sure your digital devices are charged. This is a level 1 lower risk. Still though, 1 or 2 storms could get going and cause some problems for us out there in the Piedmont Triad, especially in the east. Gusts right now, maximum gusts have been as high as the 31 miles an hour in the Greensboro area. We expect more similar conditions for you on your Sunday as the storms get going. Now, departure from normal, high temperatures about 18 degrees warmer than where we would typically be at 77 in Greensboro, Winston-Salem, across the board, all the way through North Wilkesboro and Burlington. Just look at those steady temperatures there. And we look at temperatures tomorrow in the low to mid 70s. So we're going to drop you down just a little bit. The clouds are going to have a little bit of an impact for us. Scattered showers that lift into an isolated thunderstorm or two, all developing. And through the afternoon, we'll see that cold front eventually pushing our way. So between the afternoon hours, as things get going around 4 or 5 o'clock, the thunderstorms may begin to really get elevated and intense. And so we're looking at those showers that could bring in some heavy rains. The gusts could develop also. And here's the cold front as it slides in between 6 and 7. Clearing us out for the late evening hours. By early morning on Monday, that's when we cool down. We see some chilly 40s and potentially some low 50s for the Piedmont Triad. But we also have a front that's going to stall. And if this stalls, it could keep us in a cloudier pattern and may limit us from getting into those 70s as quickly as we'd like. We'll watch for that possibility. Right now, we've got temperatures warming back into more comfortable conditions too. Piedmont Triad throughout the day, your impact hours are going to continue to rise through the afternoon, mainly 1 to about 7. And ending a little bit earlier for folks in the foothills, but starting around noon for you. Your storm chances are not severe to the west, but you do have good rain chances not only overnight, but also throughout the day. 7-day forecast, folks, riding into the 80s again Tuesday as well as Wednesday. Cooler Friday and into early Saturday morning.